watched the sun come up today. I wish that you'd been there to see it.
मेरा नाम हदीका है
और मेरा नाम अम्मार है।
और हम मुझ पे मिले थे 2024 में।
But nothing ever stops you dreaming. But you're all I need.
अब मैं कराची से हूँ, लेकिन मैं सऊदीया में पढ़ी हुई थी एंड जब मेरा स्कूल कंप्लीट हो गया था देन आई वेंट टू कराची फॉर मेड स्कूल एंड देन आई गॉट मैरिड एंड देन आई केम टू ओमान।
मैं भी कराची से हूँ, बट मैं कराची में ही बड़ा हुआ था एंड मैंने यूनिवर्सिटी स्कूल सब वहीं से पढ़ा है। फिर जॉब के बाद मुझे एक अपॉर्चुनिटी यहाँ पे ओमान में आई, तो आई शिफ्टेड इनटू ओमान एंड आई गॉट दिस कैट।
अमार की प्रोफाइल पे ना अमार ने चिली के साथ एक फ़ोटो डाली हुई थी, लाइक ही वाज होल्डिंग चिली लाइक अ बेबी एंड यू नो दैट्स द फोटो दैट आई रियली लाइक्ड एंड दैट्स द रीज़न आई रिप्लाइड टू हिज मैसेज, लाइक इट वाज वन ऑफ द रीजन।
So the story behind that photo was my sister was visiting that month and just happened to be, I was just at Muz as well. She just happened to take a photo. It was very candid. I was just holding Chili like a baby and just as I do usually. She just happened to take a photo and I liked it really much as well. And I was on Muz. I thought, this is me. This is completely me. There's a cat, there's a professional looking shirt I'm wearing and it's just lovingly looking at this baby and I just put that photo over there and somebody happened to swipe on it.
कि जो 3 क्वालिटीज़ जो मैं अपने पार्टनर में ढूंढ रही थी दैट वर सबसे पहले तो रिस्पेक्ट, somebody who respects me and somebody who is who accepts his mistakes and is ready to own his mistakes, and thirdly somebody who care about my feelings. There were only 2 questions he asked me, do you like cats and are you a good person?
I believe if you ask someone if you're a good person, then they might say yes or no, but they'll trail that question with more details, and those details really tell you what they themselves think about.
But something that's very important is कि अगर आपको अपनी कोई बुराई भी पता है तो you should have that thing कि आप उस चीज़ को improve करो, not that you want to flex it or you want to brag about it. I wanted to be a better person and it's not like कि अगर जो मेरे अंदर बुराइयाँ थी मैं उसको प्रोलॉन्ग करना चाहती थी या उसी के साथ ज़िंदगी गुजारना चाहती थी. I wanted to be a better person. I told him I'm not a people pleaser and I might not be a good person at all times. Somebody who's bad with me, I won't be good with them. So I don't know if that makes me a good person or a bad person, but I know that I'm I know myself and I know किस सिचुएशन में किस तरह से किसको हैंडल करना चाहिए, and अगर कोई मेरे साथ बुरा हो रहा है तो मैं उसके साथ अच्छी नहीं हो सकती.
I'm mostly an introvert. I don't go out. I don't have many friends outside of my immediate circle, which is college, school, and then work, job. So my the friend pool was limited. Could not think about even going out, searching for someone, and I am completely against rishta aunties, that rishta culture. I did not want that at all. I had been in Oman for 4 years, with just living alone. My entire apartment was filled with cardboard furniture. So the boxes I moved in, those were the boxes I was using as furniture. I thought, that's enough. Time to look for someone. I could decorate myself. It's not that, but it's just that when you have someone, then you have a reason and a purpose to decorate your own house and make it feel like a home. So that's why
ये पूरा cardboard boxes थे यहाँ पे.
So then I matched with her. And it really was something that clicked with me. In my first message when I sent to her, I didn't think it would go anywhere. I was just like, I'll send this message to her. She's very cute and she looks like my type. But I'm just gonna, send a message and forget about it. She will just read it and she'll move on. That did not happen. So she replied to me very interested. And even then I was like, okay, she looks interested, but is she actually? And I was like, okay, I'll just continue with this chat. And going on and on, I realized that she really is what I was looking for, and she was enthusiastic as well in her responses and with how she replied to my questions and my criteria. She ticked all those boxes, and the rest is history.
या लाइक मैंने जो फर्स्ट मैसेज जो रिप्लाई किया था ना, इट वाज सच अ लॉन्ग रिप्लाई. आई थिंक मैंने कभी किसी को ऐसा मैसेज नहीं किया बिकॉज आई वाज एक्चुअली इंटरेस्टेड. एंड यू नो मैंने बहुत अच्छे से देख के समझ के एंड सारी चीज़ें देख के फिर रिप्लाई किया था. आई डिड नॉट जस्ट वांट टू वेस्ट एनीवन's टाइम.
Okay, that's the good part, right? That's the juicy part.
Yeah.
So we were speaking for maybe about a week, and I think by day 9 or day 11 she had met my mother. By day 7 or 8 I was speaking to my mom, and just she started this topic about find a girl, get married or something.
वो उम्रा करके आई थी.
Yeah, she just got back from Umrah. And she said मैंने इतनी दुआएं मांगी हैं तुम्हारे लिए, कोई अच्छी सी तुम्हारे लिए प्यारी सी बहुत अच्छी सी जो तुम्हारा घर बनाए. ये सारी बातें कही थी, and she was very emotional, right? I said, Mom, there is someone I'm speaking to. Do you want to meet her?
मेरी सास इस तरह की कि मुझे लगा कि मैं अपने एक ओल्डर वर्जन से मिल रही हूँ. शी इज़ एग्जैक्टली लाइक मी नेचर वाइज. लाइक जैसे मैं जॉली एंड हर वक्त बात करने वाली, उस तरह वो उसी तरह की हैं. एंड शी इज़ वेरी ओपन एंड वेरी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक. तो
I had this advantage, right? It was not just myself, but I know if I have someone meet my family, you're gonna like them. So it is an advantage to have a mom like that. But you can just mom, do your thing.
I fell for her. I fell for her more than I fell for him.
I find myself lost in your mind. I find myself lost in you. It stops.
मोस्टली ना मैं अगर जल्दी में कुछ खाना होता है ना तो मैं कुछ भी खा लेती हूँ. मैं लाइक ज़्यादा नखरे नहीं दिखाती कि मुझे ऐसा ही चाहिए या स्टफ. And I think I made omelette for myself and I ate it, and Ammar was like, you don't like this, why did you make it for yourself? And jaldi mein kuch karna tha, so I just ate it. So he was like, you should not eat something that that you do not like. Next time I will wake up early and make it for you. And I was like, who cares about these things? I think that was the moment, that was that was it for me. कि बस इससे ज़्यादा अच्छा तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. इससे like what more signs do I need? I should not worry about things to get worse or bad. So I think that was the moment. I think it's a fairy tale. It's not real. It's not realistic. Some days I ask him, are we really married?
It's just living with your best friend.
Yeah.
That's how I can describe it. Ask your sister to take a photo of you with a cat. Get a cat. I mean, what are you doing with your life? You don't have a cat.
Get a cat.
It got me married. Come on.
Silly.